Okay, today's another day. Last night was a little too dark. That's my truck. How can I don't know what I can do. Going to start up my truck, let you listen to it since it's daytime now. You can see what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. I'm probably gonna put the phone over there somewhere. Or somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere. Wait.
Dear Santa, appearance is on the nice list, so I hope I get everything out. Here it goes. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Transformers.
Ooh, tell me what Optimus Prime. Hot Wheels are my favorite.
Really then, everyone's excited for the Target buy one get one 50% off toy sale.
One black pack. Second black pack. Got a little burger. Yeah. Alright. Rev it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I don't know where I'm gonna put the well, that's not gonna work. I'll try something else. Got these all over me. Only thing I can think about doing is just putting the phone down. So I'm just gonna put the phone down. You're gonna see a tree above you. That's about it. And that completes the exhaust sound. Hope y'all enjoy that.